Lift the stem upward and open it. Use a size 5 Allen wrench. Use a size 5 wrench to loosen the 2 screws on the stem. Hold the fork securely while loosening the second screw to prevent it from sliding down. Loosen the screws until the stems can be removed. Remove the stopper covers one by one and tap them down with a triangular hammer. Hold the wrench in place to remove the fender. The fender is now removed from the fork. Install the front fender on the fork first. Note that the long end of the fender is the motor clip. With the long end facing backward, install the nut. Use a size 5 wrench for the Allen wrench and a size 10 open-end wrench to hold the nut in place. Check for the bearings. Check the down tube bearings for integrity. If intact, slide the fork onto the lower part of the head tube. Make sure the long end of the fender faces rearward. After attaching it, install the stopper cover. Reinstall the upright pole and tighten the sealing screws with a number 5 wrench. Align the faucet upright pole and tighten the upright pole screws with a number 5 wrench. Place the motor flat washer against the inside of the fork, with the hook piece hooked into the groove on the outside of the fork, the inner washer, and the outer hook piece. Tighten the nuts with a number 18 wrench. Push the motor anti-bend spring to the bottom and reinsert the rubber plug. Reattach the motor cable tie to the cable tie. Organize the wires and reinsert the rubber plug. The fork replacement is complete.